Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can split videos here on Canva. So let's get started. Now guys, all you need to do is, let's say you are working on a video clip like that with the 9:16 aspect ratio, so a typical video for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So what you want to do, if you edit from the Canva library here to the left and place it here on your editing space, you will see that timeline here at the bottom. So to split your video, simply move the play at you, let's say to the 10-second mark, and to split that video right at the 10-second mark, simply right click on your video here on the video track and select split page, even though this is not a page but a video clip, but it applies the splitting effect. So let me click on it, and there you go. As you can see, the video has been split into halves in page or video clip 1 and video clip number 2. So you can move video clip number 2 here to the right and maybe add a second video here to it, or you can, for example, do it by clicking add page here and add a second video clip between video clip 1 and 2. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.